Hey friends, we are here talking about Sundial, Sndl. So it has happened, as we have been talking about here for a few months. It looked like Sundial was going to get stuck in a reverse split, and that is what has happened here. Now, Sundial is not the first growth stock here of 2022 to be caught in reverse split. We're seeing this across the board right now. This is happening. Companies were filing for extensions, they're not getting them, or they're running out of them. Or they're just deciding, hey, you know what, we're going to go ahead and take a reverse split. And that's what we're seeing right now here with Sundial Growers. They did a 10-to-1 reverse split. So obviously every 10 shares you have now becomes 1 share. Since then, the stock has continued to plunge once it busted into its new price zone here. It's being traded a little bit here, but we're not seeing much wiggle room at this moment. So what is in store for Sundial in the future? Well, Sundial is still doing what they're doing. They're still acquiring into other companies. They're still pushing their product. They're still pushing their business. But here is reality of probably what we will see here at this point. So with a reverse split, this is not always terrible news. Obviously, this is not great. We're not wanting this, but I have seen stocks before that have had reverse splits do well. They have done well. They've, a lot of them, at first they don't do well. People are scared. They don't want to put more money into this, and it takes a little bit of time to get things running again. And we could very well see that with Sundial. So in saying that, more than likely we will see a little bit of panic selling here. Sundial will continue to take some more damage here, and I would not be surprised to see this fall to $1.50, high dollar, maybe 80. But I do believe Sundial will continue to take damage here with this reverse split. People just wanting to get out completely, and Sundial just losing favor right now until it starts revamping about, attracting new investors and attracting old investors with maybe what they're going to be doing in the future. So, really the past 2 years, Sundial has just, since the start of the pandemic, like most growth companies, Sundial was just trying to hold their head above water. And we saw this slow drowning with Sundial, like many other growth stocks, and really Sundial is one of the last ones here this year to get caught in a reverse split. It was either delisting or reverse split, and of course they took the reverse split, which is the better of the two. So friends, I'm not going to go into a chart. I really think this is the reset button. We've hit the reset button here on Sundial. I would watch it. I would definitely watch it. Like I said, I have seen company stocks that have had reverse splits actually do well from reverse splits. They're there for a reason, and they do work sometimes. Sometimes they just keep getting worse. Let's be honest. It's just something we're gonna have to watch here. But when it comes to Sundial, I'm very bullish on Sundial still. Nothing's changed with that point of view. I still believe that cannabis stocks are something that are going to continue to grow into the future with the market, with the society, with being legal everywhere. And Sundial is still going to be a high candidate in that. But right now we've kind of hit the reset button, and we need to see with Sundial how they're going to jump from this situation to attract investors and get people back on their side here. So friends, that is the news with the reverse split. It has happened. It's not all bad. It's not all great. Continue to watch it here, and let's see if Sundial can do something here. Like I said, I'm expecting more sell-off in the shorter time zone here, but in the long time zone with investing in Sundial, we could possibly see something change. But I do mean that in a world that has cannabis stocks legalized, to where it's, cannabis in general is legalized everywhere. That's what I'm saying. To where the market is a lot more profitable for Sundial, obviously. So friends, all I'd say, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in the future. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Bye everyone.